something like this, then give us lower prices until this if until we get into this demand. All right, so let's see, this is actually our range. This is our range. This guy failed us, right? This guy failed us. So this is going to be our range. I'll be using this candle. There's a range. This is our range. All right, what type of range is this? This is a bearish structure. All right, and this range is going to be a bearish continuation. So this is it. This is our range that we expect market to do what? To sweep out these highs over here. We expect market to take out highs over here, mitigate this range. All right. This is where I expect actual sellers to be. All right. Actual sellers are expected to be above these highs, which is within this range. All right. Mitigate, then do what? Keep selling. We're going to put our stop losses way above this range. All right. So I'll be looking to risk 30 pips. All right. 30 pips for, all right, for how much? For 114. I could actually target 100 pips. All right. So this is it. This is a 3.3 R. All right. But then I'm targeting liquidity level. I'm looking to grab all these lows. I'm expecting these lows to be taken out. So I'm targeting liquidity level over here. All right. So this is my projection on Nzdcad, and this is what I expect market to do this week or maybe next. This is my actual, projection. This is my analysis. All right. This is my analysis over here. What was I targeting? This low over here. This is also the liquidity level. All right. So that's what I'm targeting. All right. So let's see what market does for us. All right, this week or maybe next, because I don't expect market to. I'm not expecting any high impact news. Actually, there is news this week, but then all the way this low, I don't think Friday could do that. It's possible though. So let's see what's going to happen. All right. Peace out. The last time I made a video on this pair, I'm expecting some kind of sales from this demand right here. Right. Actually, I had a right bias, but then the setup where I placed my stop loss was very wrong that I got stopped out. Even though this demand held, I actually placed my stops around um, here. My stops were above this demand, alright. Instead of using the whole thing over here, alright. Instead of placing it above this demand, I placed it right above this. So I got stopped out, and then market actually is selling, alright. I actually cleared this pair off my watch list after I got stopped out. All right, I think there is something I'm actually seeing that I would want us to look into. So you already know there was a trend line breakout, right, on a 23 hours time frame, which is this. All right, which on a 6 hours time frame, um, we've had what's wrong with my network. All right, we've had this demand being respected, and that market has taken out some kind of lows, confirming that prices heading low. All right, this demand was respected. Let me use the candle so you could know see it better. Right. So this is it. All right. this demand was respected. The market had actually taken out a low over here, which in the 4 hours time frame you will see there was a low here that was created before this mitigation, the mitigation of this range, alright. Market has taken it out with an aggressive candle. What was the range? What was the range that was created before um, this candle was taken out? This was it, alright. This is the range that was created. So now we have our range already. You have our range already. Alright. We wait for what? This is our range. Alright. What do we wait for? A breakout from that range. Okay. After the range is being created, we wait for a breakout. And did we get the breakout? Did we get the breakout? Yes. Where was it? Where is it? There's our breakout. Alright. This is our breakout. And it took out this low over here. So we've had our initiation. Actually, we had a manipulation before the initiation, right? We had we've had our initiation here and some kind of engineer liquidity around here and another break. All right, what's going on? Fuck this. All right, so this is it. We had a manipulation. The range high was taken. All right, before this break, the market had actually given us another break below this low. So there has been two lows being created. All right, two lows have been created that gives us some kind of confirmation that market is actually turning bearish. And also on a weekly time frame, you could see last week's high was being taken. All right, we actually took out last week's high. This is it. This is last week's high. Let's head on to the 4 hours time frame. We'll see it better. All right, this is it. This is the high of the highest point that was created last week. All right, this is it. And market has actually downwards taken it out, and we've actually changed character over here. All right, we've actually had some kind of change of character over here, a shift to the downside, indicating um, um, a bearish reversal. All right, so now what is our next area of interest in terms of sales? Let's head on to the 6 hour time frame. On the 6 hours time frame, you will see that there was some kind of um, candlesticks that were formed. All right, some kind of rejection candlesticks that were formed before this breakout of, I mean, before this low was taken, or before the breakout of the range, which is these two candles. All right, this is a buy rejection candle. It was actually the candle that took out last week's high. All right, it was actually the candle that took out this high over here, and this is it. This is a gravestone doji candle, a very strong bearish rejection candlestick pattern, all right, which indicates sales, all right. And also there was another one that was created before this bearish bullish reversal. This is also a dragonfly candlestick, all right. Is the dragonfly candlestick pattern that indicates the strength of bias. There is some kind of sell rejection, all right. So these two candlestick patterns were created, and also there was actually a doji candlestick. So this is an indecision, a sell rejection, and then a buy rejection. And now market actually engulfed this um, candle over here. All right, this candlestick over here, market engulfed it. The dragonfly and the
though the gravestone doji were both involved by this candlestick over here. It's an engulfing candlestick. It's a very strong candlestick that indicates the strength of whichever direction it goes. All right. So now on the 6 hours time frame, we use this since this candle engulfed the two. We are going to use the low of the first candle, and if this is actually supposed to be what you should be doing. All right, it should be this candle and that. But since that's too long and highs here we're taking, we don't expect market to go this high. So you are going to use this candle over here. Let's head on to the 5 hours time frame. See, so this is it. All right, this is the candle we should be using. All right, I love the 6 hours. So let's head on to it. So this this is the 6 hours time frame. All right, we are going to use this range over here. This was the last range that was created, the last bull candle that was created before um, this low was taken, right? Before the range had a breakout. So this is going to be our guy. This is a entry here, 30 pip stops, right? And then our target could either be 3 hour or this liquidity point. This is last week's low. Since we took out the highs, we are expecting the low to be taken as well. All right. So price might want to trade, I mean, grab this lows, these highs over here. All right. Give us something like this and keep selling. So this is what I'll be expecting. And I've seen something here on the 2 hours time frame that you see you had the mitigation right over here, right? If you had the mitigation over here, you had the mitigation over here, and market is actually dropping from this. We took out this highs, all right. We took out this. This was an inducement liquidity that was created. We took out this highs, and now markets are actually giving us this sell confirmation, all right. That market is intending to actually drop, all right. And now we had this low right here that took out this inducement liquidity. So right now we are actually looking at this swing structure, all right. From this high, we expect a new low to be created here. So once this low is being broken, once price has broken this low and we've had the body close below it, I would want to go in on shorts, all right, on this from this supply candle right here. This is a very nice supply candle that I would want market to get into. This time I'm not going to wait for any confirmation. If it does give me something, fine. I'll just get in and then expect the drop from there. All right. So this over here is going to be my next re-entry. I'm actually using gold funded, which is why I got stopped out from this. All right. I don't know. These people, they have a problem with spread. So I actually expect market to do what? Give us a body break below this low over here before getting in on this short. Otherwise, I'm not interested. But then this guy, believe me, this guy is actually trusted, all right? Can be trusted to give us lower prices. So I'm expecting this leg to complete, all right? This is the swing high. It took out this inducement liquidity. Where was the mitigation? It was from here, from this point, all right? The mitigation was from this point, all right? This mitigation breaker block, all right? So this is a swing high. We are expecting a new swing low, which I expect to take out these lows, all right? Once these lows are taken, over here, these ones are my target, all right? This low is my target in terms of sales. All right, this low is my overall target, and I'm going to sell until this low is taken. So I expect market to break below, just break below this low, give me a body break below this low, and then I'll be going in. Next week we expect market to since last week's low has been a target. All right, we took out last 2 weeks, actually last 2 weeks high, and now the low is uh, target. All right, in terms of sales, as far as this target remains, I would actually um, expect market to before making any decisions towards this low. I'm going to leave my open trades open, but then I would like to see market take out this highs over here, which is the highs that were created on yesterday, right? Which is Thursday. Thursday's high. I would like to see market take out these highs before giving us a new you know low, before giving us any lower prices. So this area right here, I want to see market take it out, all right, then give us lower prices. That's next week. As for this week, so far I've had three um, positions, all right, which haven't got to my target yet, all right. So we have this, which was the first entry, had it from here, that's my target, and then over here, the second one is on a 2 hours time frame, which was my first re-entry. All right, that was very close, but then I still got stopped out, due to spread. I think I'll have to work on that, which hasn't got to my target yet. Also, still targeting this low. All right, and then again, I had another re-entry, which was on a 3 hours time frame, which is after this low was taken. All right, see this mitigation right here, a very nice one, a very nice mitigation. All right, this is what I'm looking out for on Nzdcad next week. So I want this to happen next week. As far as this low right here hasn't been taken and it's still a target, I would like to sell until this low is grabbed. Okay, so see you guys next week. All right, thank you for watching.